Hello, are you aware that most people were not able to solve this maths problem right? So let's now start with our solution. So on the solution, we have 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x is equals to 80. So we are trying to find the value for x in its simplest form. So assuming that we have a to the power of m multiplied by n, so these are now can be written as a to the power of m plus n. So that means that now 4 to the power of x, then multiplied by 4 to the power of x, this one can be written as 4 to the power of 2 into bracket x. So in that case now we shall now have it as now 4 to the power of 2x is equals to 80. So the next step now is for us to introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of 2x is equals to the log of 80 is equals to the log of 80. So in this case, let me repeat it, the log of 4 to the power of 2x is equals to the log of 80. So in this case now we shall now say that when you have, for example, the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m the log of p. So thereby we shall now have it as 2x the log of 4 is equals to the log of 80. So we want us to remain with the log with 2x. So that means that now we shall do away with the log of 4. So we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 4, then also this side by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so that now 2x is equals to the log of 80, then all over the log of 4. So the log of 4. So that now 2x in this case is equals to the log of 80 shall be written as the log of 8 multiplied by 10, then into bracket all over the log of 4. So when you have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we shall now have it as 2x is equals to the log of 8, then plus the log of 10 all over the log of 4. So divide both sides by the log of 4, so that now 2x is equals to, so here now we shall now have the log of 8 all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2 all over the log of 4. So next is now 2x is equals to, so log 8 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and 4 by 2 is 8. Then all over the log of 4, then plus, so here now shall have the log of 5, then plus the log of 2 all over, so each divided by the log of 4, then divide by the log of 4. So we shall now have it as now 2x is equals to, so this one now shall have it as 3 the log of 2, then all over the log of 4, plus, so in this case the log of 5 all over the log of 4, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 4. So when we have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now 2x now is equals to, so this one now shall now have it as 3, then the log of 2 to the base of 4, plus also the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4. So for us now to remain with x alone, we shall have to divide both sides by 2. So here by 2, then the whole of this by 2. So that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So that now the value for x is equals to, so 3, the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 4, plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then this all over 2. So now our final value for x is equals to, so here now shall have it as 3 over 2, the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus, so here now we shall now have it as 1 over 2, the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus, here we shall also have it as 1 over 2, the log of 2 to the base of 4. So these are now shall qualify to be our correct maths problem in its simplest form. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.